So I'm going to try out this new recipe I found in the Union Square Cafe Cookbook. It calls for pan-roasted salmon with a Citrus-Balsamic Vinaigrette. So the recipe calls for salt and pepper to the salmon, so that's what I'm going to do. Just put a little salt and pepper. Okay. And then I'm just going to set that aside and get ready for the sauce. The recipe calls for a 1/4 cup of fresh squeezed orange juice, a 1/2 cup of balsamic vinegar, and a good quality vinegar, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. So now the recipe calls for me to mince my shallots, my anchovy, and chop my basil, parsley, and mint. And I'm going to take my sauce and I'm going to put it in a little jar. Make sure I get all my lovely little herbs. Put a little salt and pepper. I'm going to shake this up. So now that the sauce is done, I'm going to pan sear the salmon and get it ready for roasting. Heat up a large skillet with 2 tablespoons of olive oil on a high heat. Okay. We're going to place the salmon in the pan, skin side down. The salmon, nice and seared, and a nice little brown crisp, which is going to form on the bottom. We're going to roast it in the oven at 450 degrees for about 8 minutes for medium rare. Okay. So it's been about 8 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and pull the salmon out of the oven. Now I'm just going to set the salmon aside on a plate so that I can go ahead and prepare the sauce. I'm just going to add to the plate some asparagus, and now the sauce. So now I get to try it out. That is really good.